Hello guys. Remember my baby, my Lexus? She had some problems. She was misfiring, bad ECU, this and that. And in my previous video, I got her a rim. Check it out. I got her 17-inch BBS rims, but it needs adapters. So yeah, remember she used to misfire a little bit even after the ECU change. Yeah, but right now, let me show you. Funnily enough, the RPM is not moving, but no biggie. I know it works. Oh yeah, there you go. Not a single misfire, bro. Oh God. And yeah, let me show you the engine. And guess what? My baby is SCCA approved. I'm gonna join SCCA soon. I already joined SCCA, but I'm gonna get my novice racing permit this March 2019. Wish me luck. Check her out with them fog lights, bro. That's OEM, by the way. That one failed. I'll change the bulbs. That's actually the only flaw she got right now. Check out the engine. I swear to God, not a single misfire. Like, you couldn't even listen. She's purring, bro. She is purring. Not a single jerk. If there was a coin, oh, let me even try the coin balancing thing. I'm that confident now, for real. Whew. It's really hard trying to smoke and do videos, but I'm sorry, man. I'm not a professional at this. I'm just starting up. But yeah, I'm trying to balance a coin on the intake right here. And the bad thing is I don't have a lighter or a match. I can't find it. So if I turn it off, but till then, just watch her, baby. Watch my baby till I finish this day. I'm gonna change the rims to BBS 17-inch. I'm gonna change the shocks, and these calipers are stuck. Like, I can hear it screeching to the rotor when I drive, but it's not like serious, but like a little bit of screech. I don't feel it breaking or like pulling on one side, but even the owner before me told me that this caliper doesn't come all the way back. And you know, yeah, I have to change that caliper. Both suspensions, the strut and the back, bows in the front, all 4 rotors. After that, I'm going to install the rims because I don't want to, like, you know, there's going to be a problem sometime because I'm not sure if the owner before me changed the rotors or the pads, the disc brakes. Oh shit, I just went into a mud. Yeah, these things just last, you know, they don't make sound or like they don't squeal unless they're really like undrivable. So I want to do like maintenance on it before things go bad. And yeah, let me try to balance this, man. I don't think it's that easy. Yeah, it won't stand. But yeah, this is a challenge. Try that on your car. I know it didn't stand on mine, but it's not as easy as they say it. No, there's no way. I mean, I don't know. It's not, maybe it's inclined. I really don't know where it can stand, but yeah, my point was the engine is really sounding good. No shakes, no vibrations. Like, hear it. New cap, new rotor. Yeah, I lost my Lexus logo. I didn't lose it, but it came off. I have it inside the car. I'll just paste it with epoxy and shit. But yeah, boy. This is my baby. We're gonna see it next time with the BBS. And my Mazzy was my girl today. I got my roommate's GCI right next to me. He got some cool rims too. Stick. She's close to 136 now. She's my daily. I drive her almost every day, man. Let me park her a little bit closer. Yeah, there's ABS on because of those brakes I just told you about. They're stuck on the rotor, so like she's driving without an ABS. But no check, no nothing. She never had a check engine anyway, but yeah. I was hiding my rims with those. I'm sure it's not bad. Yeah, she's my daily now. Thanks, guys.